is the last advent calendar for 2024 that I'm unboxing. It's a fortune cookie advent calendar from a company called Needy Boy. So they make fortune cookies for corporate events and just for fun. This is 12-day calendar and they're supposed to have some funny fortunes in there. So let's get unboxing. Alright, number 1. Oh, okay. We have this fortune cookie here. So it looks like it's got chocolate and orange sprinkles. There we go. Let's get all this rubbish out of the way. Alright, let's open this and see what's inside. What's our unlucky fortune? Okay, success is like a bed, well made and ready for a great night. That was funny. Alright. Number 2 is up here. I think this is poppy seed one. I wonder if I can pull the thing out without... Yep, I can, without breaking it. There we go. And what have we got here? Great things are unfolding just like fresh sheets. Alright, number 3 is next to the number 2. Got a plain one. If I can pull them out without breaking them, that'll be better. A plain one. Okay. Dogs and cats don't know that they're naked. Number 4. This one looks like it melted in transit. And can I get at the fortune cookie? No, this one I'm going to have to break. Alright, and what's our fortune? It's upside down. Commit to learning an instrument. Your neighbours will love your 3 AM practice sessions. Number 5. Wish it hadn't been so hot over here. These would have lasted better, I think. Alrighty, can I... Nope, another cracking. There's all the different types as well. So dark and light cookies. Oh, I've got the same one again. Okay, number 6. Nope, I have to open this one. Crack. And it says, men broken bonds with old friends. Oh, well, some of them are funny. This is number 7. I'm getting those hundreds and thousands everywhere. Alright, can I get this one out? Nope. Mess. You're about to have a sheet load of good luck. That would be nice, as long as it's good luck and not just sheets. Alrighty. Where are we up to? Number 8. And like a towel, you absorb what you need and let go of the rest. Okay, number 9. And this one. It's scientifically proven that too many birthdays can kill you. Oh, number 10. Okay, can I pull this one out? No. Oh, that one's crumbled a bit. All right. You're as strong as a fitted sheet on laundry day. Hang in there. Number 11. Okay. You learn from your mistakes. You will learn a lot today. And the last door 12. And, oh, see if I can pull that out. Okay, and what have we got? Be careful who you trust. Salt and sugar look the same. Well, that was pretty cool. I am going to bring back all the cookies so you can see what the mess I made. Okay, well, there's the mess. Guess we'll be eating these today. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great New Year's Eve tonight and a happy new year for 2025. And I hope you come back and check my other videos in the new year.